What is the most up thing you have witnessed at a bachelor's party? Groom invited me to his bachelor's party in Las Vegas in 2022. We all promised to chip in to get a good experience and got us a whole penthouse suite for ourselves. That night, the best man told everyone to turn off our phones so we can all enjoy our night. No photos or calls during that time. At 10 p.m. before we headed out to get wasted, the fiancé of the groom called while he was in the bathroom. 4 of his friends had an idea to prank the fiancé, so they answered the call, then played a video to make the fiancé think the groom was cheating on her. We told them it's not a good idea until they told us to not ruin the fun. The fiancé was screaming and crying. They hung up on her and laughed, then turned off his phone. They casually handed the phone to the groom and we headed out. We were wasted the whole night and some of us got up at 3 p.m. The groom had 800 missed calls from his fiancé and calls from his family. His phone really blew up. He told us that he got a text from Grace, his fiancé, saying they are over. Groom cried because Grace wasn't picking up the phone. He rushed to catch the next flight and left us. The guys who were at fault apologized to the couple. The wedding pushed through and they weren't invited to the wedding.